Tempura is a Japanese popular crispy fritters. It could be shrimp, sweet potato, green peppers, kabocha, squash, onions, and more. In my family, we have a tradition to serve tempura meal at Obon, which is an annual Buddhist event for commemorating ancestors. Tempura is very delicious, but it's too much hassle if you make at home. Don't worry, I'll show you how to make air-fried tempura with easy cooking. I hope you like it. Here's key points. Number 1. Get some tempura bit from Asian stores to make air-fried tempura crispy. Number 2. Get tempura flour for easier cooking. Number 3. Mix oil in the butter to make air-fried crunchy. I explain about tempura bit and tempura flour later. Also, I put ingredients and recipe in the end of the movie for your later use. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Alright, let's get started. At first, remove the shell of each shrimp by twisting the head and bring the leg off. Holding the tail, lift the shell upwards and away from the body. Leave tail intact. Insert the tip of a skewer sideways on the stomach side and pull the skewer tip up towards you. This will lift up the vein and you can pull off the vein with the skewer or with your hand. Remove the vein by using a small knife. Run the knife lengthwise down the spine from the head to tail. This will allow the vein to easily be removed with your finger. For cleaning, gently massage shrimps with potato powder 2 tablespoons and salt 1 teaspoon and rinse with water. As you can see, water is getting dirty. Again, clean the shrimp with only potato starch 2 tablespoons and rinse it with water well. Remove water from shrimps with paper towel. Make a couple of slits on the side. Hold the shrimp with both hands and bend it backward, belly up, to make it straight. Straighten the shrimp as much as possible. Then preheat air fryer at 395 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Here is tempura bit. Place tempura bit, which is deep fried butter droplets, in a bag and crumble roughly with your fist for a rolling pin. What is tempura bit? Tempura bit is the small deep fried leavings of tempura butter. It gives you crunchy texture. It's called tenkasu in Japanese. We use it in specific Japanese food such as soba, udon, takoyaki, and okonomiyaki. Usually it is not used for tempura itself. However, in order to make air-fried tempura crispy, I use it this time as a secret taste. I got it at a Japanese market. Mix tempura flour, which is fried wheat flour, and water together, but do not overmix. What is tempura flour? Tempura flour is the flour to make nice and crispy Japanese fritters known as tempura. Since it's not easy to make perfect tempura from scratch, this is a way to help you cook easily by just mixing tempura flour and water to make the batter. It's made from wheat flour, baking powder, eggs, and other ingredients. You can get it at Asian stores. Add olive oil in the butter and mix. Place a piece of parchment paper in the air fryer basket if you like. Coat the shrimp in the batter, then coat it with crumbled tempura bit. Cook the shrimp in air fryer at 395 degrees Fahrenheit for 7 to 8 minutes. Enjoy crispy tempura while it's hot. Matcha-salt, salt, soy sauce are good with tempura. Thank you for watching to the end of the movie. This is the end of the movie. I hope you enjoy it. Finally, this is the recipe in English. This is the recipe in Japanese. And this is the ingredients. Again, thank you for watching. If you like my video, subscribe now. There's more upcoming videos. See you in the next one. またね